tend to come out the day before screed is due, work out some material quantities to make sure we can get exact quantities, no surplus, make sure the customer's happy with everything, make sure the prep is okay. Then the next morning / afternoon, the screed boys will turn up, make sure the customer's happy, go through everything, make sure they're clear about what's going on, work out if we've got any datum points to work to, anything like that. Then what would happen is, as long as they're happy and the screed team is happy, we'll start to screed, working through the house slowly, room by room, making sure that we're exact on the tripods, getting the right amount in per room. Fill up the house or the area, then go in, remove the tripods, make sure everything's okay. Then we'd dapple the floor, put a nice finish on, make sure it's nice and level, make sure we're where we should be on the door frames and everything like that. Then we don't go back in there for 2 days. So the benefits of having a top flow screed A are the duration of the time taken to do the floor would be, we've done it in about an hour and we've done a good 120 square metres, whereas with sand and cement you're looking at about 4 to 5 hours, maybe 3/4 of a day. You end up with a heap of sand, a mixer going all day and blokes working really hard. The benefits of having this is, because it is classed as a flowing screed, nice and wet and fluid, it will encase your underfloor heating pipes nice and well, improving the thermal performance of the screed, so we wouldn't have to work so hard to heat it up. The other beneficial parts are you can force dry this floor a lot quicker using the underfloor heating after 7 days, which would minimise the problem for cracking and things like that, which means the floor coverings can go down a lot better. A flowing screed compared to a sand and cement screed is a lot leveller, there's no doubt about it. It still complies with British standards, which is 5mm over 2m straight edge. The key to this is having a good prep, which makes the floor a lot better, and the finish is a lot better. The area covered throughout a day for a type flow screed A to a sand and cement screed is about 120 square metres of sand and cement to 1,000 square metres of flowing screed. Yeah. With sand and cement screed you are limited to a minimum of 75mm, whereas flowing screed can go as 50mm with underfloor heating, and without underfloor heating on a concrete substrate you can go to 35mm.